Hi, Tia Solvesi, Florida-friendly landscaping agent with University of Florida, IFAS Extension in Orange County. And if you're getting started with a vegetable garden, today I'm going to show you the easiest vegetable you can grow, which is black-eyed peas. So hopefully you have some seeds that you bought, or maybe you have some that you saved from last year, never a bad idea. Or you can just buy some dried black-eyed pea seeds out of the aisle in the grocery store. So before I get to planting the black-eyed peas, I just wanted to show you some other things you could be growing in your garden now. Preferably big tomato plants, not ones from seed, but established ones. Sweet potatoes, these grow great all summer. We have tropical spinaches such as Okinawan and Suriname spinach. And both winter and summer squash like this yellow crookneck or Seminole pumpkins. So anyway, on to preparing the garden and planting the easiest vegetable, black-eyed peas. First, you want to start with a small garden plot, and here I have about a 1 square foot area that I'm going to prep. So you want to prep this by just digging with the shovel, and then the next thing you want to do is incorporate a little bit of compost. So I just sprinkle that on top, and then you can incorporate that in with your hands or again with the shovel. And then you can get to planting. So planting black-eyed peas, I'm going to use the square foot method here because it's really easy to understand how close to put the plants. We want them about 3 to 4 inches apart. So in 1 square foot, we're going to have 9 black-eyed pea seeds, and do it just like a tic-tac-toe. So the first row, 1, 2, 3. The second row, 4, 5, 6. In the third row, 7, 8, 9. Just like a tic-tac-toe board. Next, just push them into the ground about 1 each deep. And after you're done with that, then just cover them and water. So it sounds like we're going to get a rainstorm tonight. So that's always considered a blessing on the earth when we get a little bit of rain after you plant. So this is a good way to get started for beginner gardeners. Just cover the seeds up after you plant them, and then you could put a little garden tag in to notate where you planted them. So I hope you enjoyed the video today, and stay tuned for more gardening tips.